What's going on, guys? This is Brian with Giant Finishing, coming to you today to talk about parts finishing bottlenecks. You have tons of parts sitting around that you're producing faster than you can finish. Have you recently upgraded your capability to produce parts, bought some fancy new equipment, and now you haven't even thought about how you're going to finish them? That's why we're coming to you today with our GO series. This is one of our two styles of machines that can be run as a flow-through machine. And the cool thing about the GO is it is versatile. It can be run either as a flow-through machine or as a batch machine. This machine is great for metal fabricating shops, anybody doing a lot of laser cutting. You're a finishing job shop and you need a versatile machine that can pump out high volume parts. Automotive industries, aerospace industries, the medical manufacturers. This machine is capable of turning steel. We can put some stainless steel media in here and get you clean parts. I got a couple of buckets here, some aluminum parts. These were built in a CNC, but they still need an edge break. Surface needs to be prepared for the next phase in their surface coating. And I got about 150 here. We're going to demonstrate the load, the run, and the unload in a flow-through style. Now, we're going to be loading them by hand, but obviously, in your shop, you're going to have probably some kind of parts handling system here to conveyor them up, or some kind of metering system to dump them in with a tote. The Geo Series machine allows you a continuous flow. It is automated. It is a quality finish. You're going to get edge deburring, surface conditioning, edge radiating. You're going to be able to get the oxidation from the laser cut off, oil from your press, grease, all of that done in a small amount of time. We're looking at parts that we can finish from when they go in to come out in 12 to 15 minutes. Fasteners, small parts like that, forgings, anything that is a high volume, we are pumping them out. We need to finish them as fast as we can take them off of our press, take them out of our mill, take them off the laser cut machine. This machine is for you. So as you can see, about 7.5 minutes. This burr right here is gone. The edge is rounded, feels great. That was run at 7.5 minutes. With a PLC controller, now we can tune the amount of time it stays in the bowl. For tougher burrs, they might need a little bit more time. We can get all the way up to 12, 14 minutes in there. With a PLC controller, you can save recipes in the computer so that all the operator has to do is come up and say, this is part 1, this is part 2, this is part 3, put it in, and the machine will automatically adjust the time setting, adjust all the settings for the speed, and that way you can run different parts, different family of parts, quickly automated. Okay, precision, consistency. This is the machine for you. Give us a call. Send us parts to run. We will prove out the process for you. We will do all the ROI work for you. Give us a call. Send us an email, sales@giantfinishing.com, 708-343-6900.